Place the plugs inside the appropriate bung and using a flat palm, rotate the bungs clockwise to catch the first few threads and also keep the bungs flat. The plug should engage the threads easily and with little resistance. If the thread feels tight or locks at any point, remove the plug and restart the process. Using the torque wrench, torque the plug smoothly and with consistent rotation, going clockwise to the torque specified on the closure instructions. It is recommended that the bungs sit for 10 to 20 seconds and recheck torque to ensure it is at the manufacturer's closing recommended torque, or if there are additional plugs, torque those and go back to each later to recheck the torque. The closure instructions will detail the method used for closure when the drums were tested. They contain written instructions and the specified torque at which the package must be closed. Ensure that you can locate and match the plugs provided on the drum to the closures indicated on the closure instructions. Please do not proceed if you cannot match the plugs on the package to the closure instructions or if the plugs are being substituted for plugs not present on the closure instructions. If in doubt, please contact Greif Technical Services at techserve.questions@greif.com. The latest closure instructions are provided with each shipment of new drums and will accompany the packing slip, or with the manufacturer's test report. In the event you do not have this document, please contact Greif Technical Services at techserve.questions@greif.com.